So today, I'm not exactly sure when this video is actually going to publish because I'm still doing the Altered Reader's Digest book, and I'm still waiting on something to come in for this Altered Little Golden book. But my daughter that is pregnant with the little boy that this book is for has been put in the hospital, and she will be in the hospital until the baby gets here. He's not due until December, and today is Tuesday, September 24th. So she's got a lot of time in the hospital. So I figured now would be a good time to go ahead and give her this so that she can start journaling in it. There are a couple of things that I am going to do. I was actually looking for something real quick because I want to put some corner edges on it. I thought I had brought them over, but apparently I didn't. So we will just go ahead and work on the other stuff. Actually, I'm going to pause the video and try and find that because I do need some eyelets. Okay, guys. So I found my little doodad box. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put some corner protectors on this. And let's go ahead and do that now. And what I like to use when I'm putting my corner protectors on is I will use some Fabri-Tac just to make sure that they stay on good. It doesn't take much at all. And I don't know how much of this process I'm going to get on the video since I do have to get this to the hospital. I mean, it's not like she's in a hurry because she's going to be there a while. But I'm actually going this morning before I go to work. I'm supposed to be at work already. Well, I'm teleworking, but I told my boss I needed to sign in late so I could get this done. It's just been a crazy time. So we have a hurricane coming. It's supposed to be here, what did they say, Thursday maybe? I don't know. I think Thursday. So I've got that going on. Then my daughter's in the hospital with the baby issues. Then my oldest son, you know, he joined the Army, but we finally got information yesterday on how to write to him. And we know when the graduation's going to be and family day. So he graduates the day before Thanksgiving, and then family day is that Tuesday of that week. So, and that's in South Carolina. So I have to pretty much take off the entire week of Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's just a lot of craziness. But it's okay. It's just part of life, I guess. So I am just putting these on there. Okay. Now, the other thing I wanted to do, and I had said something about possibly using this as like a flip out, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for a writing board. I don't know exactly how I am going to use that yet, but I want a writing board in the journal. Or would this be better? Let me just see. I was planning on cutting these little guys out, but, well, that's some real straight folding there. But I don't know. See, this is where I get in trouble because I can't stop and think. Tell you what, let me cut this out and let's just see. All right, I'm going to get my big boy cutter out for a minute. I'm sorry about all the racket, guys. Let's see if this is wide enough to cut this. Maybe not. Nope. Well, yeah. Okay. So let me cut this right here first. And that was not a very straight cut. And then let's cut it right here maybe. Okay. And then we're just going to, I'm just cutting some off for now, and then we'll get sizes together. All right, let's cut this straight because it is not straight at all. Let me put this way. I find it's easier for me to cut something thick when I'm pulling it back. All right, let's see. What do we have? So this could slip in the journal. Okay, that's good. So now we need to work on the size. All right, I think we're good. So how much do I need to cut off of this? Let's cut the top. The top is not straight either, so let's go ahead and do that first. Because I didn't cut that very straight. Okay, that still don't look straight. So let's do it like that. No, it's not straight. Y'all see that? Okay, so that should be straight now. And then we want this to be about, not quite 7 inches maybe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to cut off 2.5 inches. And I can cut that off at the bottom. So let's do that. So let's go to 2.5. We're going to open it because it's easier. And it's small enough now that I can get it in there like that. How on earth did I do that? I cut that way too short. Oh well, we're going with it. Since I decided to mess that up. Let's go ahead and do this because we may end up having to use the backup plan since I messed that up. Let's cut some off the bottom here. And then, so I've got it folded. Let's trim some down the side to, all right, let's do this. Since I don't trust my measuring, I am going to measure this at 7. This is 8 inches though, isn't it? Get a ruler, Betty Renfro. That was your problem. This needs to be 8 inches. So we're going to do 7 3/4. Yep. That was my problem. Okay, I think this may actually work better anyway. Let's glue this together because I want this to be nice and sturdy because it will be a writing board. But this is also where I am going to attach a dangle to it so that it's not actually attached to the journal and it'll be easy to remove. All right. Yeah, it's just one of those fun times. Oh, dear Lord. Okay. And it looks like I still need to trim it just a little bit. I've cut it 5 times and it's still too short. That's what my daddy used to always say. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my big bite, wherever it is. And let's see. Let's get us a eyelet. And I think I want to put it right here. So let's punch our little, well, it would help if you get it in the right spot, Betty Renfro. So I am going to punch a hole in the corner. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So my phone, I don't know what it done. I had a text message come in, and apparently that just stopped it from casting, so I didn't know if it was recording or not. So I've got my hole punched there. I'm just going to put that right there. And that moved the wrong way, and I don't remember which one I always put it on. So this may mess up, but oh well. We're going to try it. So I'm going to try and do my little attachy doohickey. Oh, that worked out good. All right, so we've got that added. So this will go into the journal like that. Okay. Was there anything else I was actually going to do? Let me just show you guys what I've got, because this is probably going to be the final flip through as well. So I do have some little Star Wars stickers that I got, and I didn't stick them in. I just clipped them under. I've got some little tags, some journal cards that I made. This is a sticker. I did stick that one down. This here, I've got these little things from the, and these are some of the Star Wars stickers. These were some of the little cutouts. This is one of those little envelope things. And what I am going to put in here will be, let me show you guys what I do with them. Where did I put them? Oh, right here. I am going to cut these Star Wars ABCs out and put them in there. I'm going to leave that out so I'll remember. Just stuck a sticker there. So she has lots of journaling space. I have Uno cards that I was going to use for the month. I don't know what I've done with them right now. I think they may still be in the living room. And I wanted to go ahead and get this video done. And these fold out. There's just stickers stuck there. This I will make a little dangle because I've got, where did I put it? I've got a little Star Wars, I don't know what I've done with it. It's a little Star Wars little keychain thing. And I will use that to hang off of there. Oh my goodness. I can't find anything right now because I'm just like, my nerves are shot. You know, that's how it goes. I don't even know where we were at. Oh, right here. This was some of the Star Wars book. Just some more vintage music. I did stick some stickers down in here. And there's a sticker. This is some of that, and I've just added some little tags and stickers. Sticker here. This is a top tuck, a journal card. This was made from the one of the gift bags. This was just an image that I had printed. And then, let's see. I don't think I've done a lot in the back, which it's just one of them things, you know, she's already, I wasn't planning on giving it to her just yet, but oh well. This is that one that I've made into like 3 different pockets, and I just stuck some stickers in there. This is a little pocket, so let's stick some journal cards down in there just so that it'll have something in it. I got some tags in there, some more stuff in that. See, this is just so plain back here, but oh well. She'll have plenty of time to fill all of this stuff up, because hopefully she'll be there a while, because we want to keep baby boy in there as long as possible. He needs to bake a little while longer. So yeah, this I haven't really done anything at all to. So that's, you know, it is what it is, guys. There's nothing I can do. Baby boy is giving mama a fit, and he's ready to get here. So she is just having to wait it out in the hospital until he does get here. So I need to get this to her so that she can journal about her time, because, you know, what else is she going to do while just sitting in a hospital room for the next couple of months? I know whenever I had my third daughter, I got put in the hospital for like, I want to say it was 6 or 7 weeks. And I can remember it was just, I knew it was what was needed for my baby, but oh my goodness, guys, that is just rough. I couldn't even get up to go get a shower, and, you know, but she was born happy and healthy. So that was what mattered. And hopefully that's how things will be with Mr. Anakin. So I am going to go ahead and stop the video. I will do a final flip through of Cameron's Star Wars book. Cameron is my daughter's, the little boy that she adopted a few years ago. So I made him a Star Wars journal as well. And so I will probably come back on. I'm going to try and just finish up a little more in this one. And then what I'll do maybe is come back on and do a final flip through maybe of both of them. I don't know, y'all. I'm like all over the place right now. But hopefully that's what is going to happen. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have stuck it through to the end of this crazy, really crazy, chaotic video, please let me know in the comments below. Leave me a yellow heart. I would greatly appreciate it, because I'm telling you, it's just, it's all over the place.